famous nobody. Hi, famous nobody. Someone told me that my nose is so small. It's so small. Sure, yes! Hi, Hitish. Hitish. Ay, kakata sa ulo. Celebrity mayang. Hi, famous nobody. Celebrity mayang. Sana all. Happy to meet you. Hi. Chupi, Jimmy. I don't need you. Just late to my live. I'm here now, lol. Hi, Joseph. Why you're living at my house? You're alone there? Then give me income, Jimmy. Give me salary. It's nice to meet you. Celebrity big head. I'm not celebrity. I'm just a simple woman. Fighting those people who stole my heart. Charot. Fighting those people who stole my heart. I'd check out your other YouTube channel. Why are you living there? Oh, look, there's no viewers here. Oh, there's no viewers here. Why your man can't provide you? Of course, he provided me. A simple celebrity entertaining the world. Wow, who stole your heart? A lot of people stole my heart. Joke. You, Rodney, stole my heart. Hello. Chupe, Jimmy. Lago talaga ko nimo. Shit. Lago talaga ko nimo, iringa ka. Na. You from Philippines. Hi, Rodney Lewis. Pokemon. Na. Huh? Huh? Oh, na. Your husband stole your heart. Each one of them got... Yes, my heart just broke into pieces. They got my heart. They stole my heart. What's the other one? I have one viewers here. Say hi to them. One viewer, say hi to my 20 viewers. So other I could put your heart back together. Why? Don't put my heart back together. I'm fine. I'm fine with my heart right now. Hi, Steph. Good morning. Really? Are you willing to give your heart? I'm fine, Steph. I'm fine. You said your heart broken in pieces. That's good.